This is a quick video on how to connect a coil on both the second and third series RPE valves. This is the older variant. Always check the O-ring is fitted, otherwise the valve will leak. This simply twists and locks into place. And is secured in place by a little white clip. The newer yellow collar type, which moves up and down, is simply twist and locked into place. No white clip is required.
Please see the video description for product data sheets and full contact details. If you found the video helpful and informative, please like and subscribe. And if you'd like to be informed of future videos, please click the bell. Thanks for watching.